Hornbill Smart Lock. Keyless entry with handle. The complete review. If you're looking for a high-tech smart lock that combines multiple access methods, biometric security, and smart home integration, the Hornbill Smart Lock keyless entry with handle might be the perfect upgrade for your front door. But is it worth your investment? In this detailed review, we'll break down its key features, performance, pros, and cons, helping you decide if this is the right smart lock for your home. Key features and benefits. 8 ways to unlock. Maximum convenience. The Hornbill Smart Lock offers 8 different entry methods. 3D fingerprint recognition, 0.3 second access. Numeric keypad, OLED anti-peek display. Smartphone app control, remote access via Bluetooth. Wi-Fi remote access, requires separate gateway. Alexa voice control, hands-free operation. IC cards and fobs, keychain access. QR codes, temporary guest access. Physical key backup, emergency entry. Consumer problem solved. No more fumbling for keys. Whether you're carrying groceries, have wet hands, or need to grant temporary access to guests. High security 3D fingerprint sensor, the biometric scanner stores 300 plus fingerprints and unlocks in 0.3 seconds. While not as flawless as premium smartphone sensors, proper finger placement improves accuracy. Consumer problem solved. Quick, keyless entry for family members without worrying about forgotten codes. Heavy-duty zinc alloy construction. Unlike cheaper aluminum competitors, Hornbill uses zinc alloy for enhanced durability and security. Consumer problem solved. A sturdier build that resists wear and tampering better than budget locks. Free app with advanced features. The next lock app allows real-time access logs, who entered and when, custom passcodes, temporary or permanent, remote unlocking, via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi gateway. Consumer problem solved. Monitor your door activity from anywhere and grant secure access to visitors. Auto-lock and easy installation. Auto-locking ensures your door never stays unlocked accidentally. Simplified installation with included manual and video guide. Consumer problem solved. No more worrying if you forgot to lock the door, and a DIY-friendly setup. How it compares to other smart locks. Most smart locks, like August or Schlage, offer 3 or 4 entry methods, but the Hornbill stands out with more access options, fingerprint plus IC cards plus QR codes, free lifetime app, no subscription fees, heavier duty build, zinc alloy versus plastic aluminum from competitors. However, it requires a separate Wi-Fi gateway for full remote access, whereas competitors like August Wi-Fi Smart Lock have built-in Wi-Fi. Potential drawbacks and mitigations. No real-time lock status in app. Unlike premium locks, the app doesn't show if the door is locked or unlocked in real time. Mitigation. Use auto-lock timers, 5 sec to 15 min to ensure security. Alexa integration issues. Some users report voice commands fail intermittently. Mitigation. Ensure your Wi-Fi gateway is properly configured and firmware updated. Installation instructions could be clearer. The manual uses small print and lacks detailed diagrams. Mitigation. Watch the installation video provided by Hornbill for step-by-step guidance. Strike plate may need adjustment. The included plate sometimes prevents smooth closing. Mitigation. Replace with a curved strike plate. Available at hardware stores. Who should buy this? Homeowners wanting multiple entry options, fingerprint, cards, app. Airbnb hosts needing secure, temporary guest access. Families who want keyless convenience without subscriptions. Tech enthusiasts who prefer Bluetooth jack Wi-Fi control. Want to see real customer experiences? Click the link in the description for verified buyer reviews. Final verdict. Is the Hornbill Smart Lock worth it? Pros. 8 unlocking methods, most in its price range. Free lifetime app, no hidden fees. Heavy-duty zinc alloy build, more durable than aluminum. Easy DIY installation, video guide included. Cons. No real-time lock status in app. Alexa integration can be unreliable. Wi-Fi gateway sold separately. Final recommendation: if you want an affordable, feature-packed smart lock with strong security, the Hornbill is a great choice. However, if you need flawless Alexa integration or built-in Wi-Fi, consider premium alternatives like August or Schlage Encode. Ready to upgrade your home security? Click the link below for the best price on the Hornbill Smart Lock today.